Hey there, this is Lane Amon, and I am absolutely thrilled that you are interested in learning more about the opportunities with Origami Owl. I wanted to show you how you can go about putting yourself on the waiting list. It's called a Designer in Waiting or DIW list. It took me about 3 months before my number got called, so if you are at all interested in finding out more about Origami Owl, I really encourage you to get yourself on the list now. There is no obligation and no deposit or anything like that when you put yourself on the list. It's really simple. And let me show you how. If you go to happy.origami.owl.com, you'll get this homepage. It should look something like this. And you want to go up here to the upper right where it says join our team. Click on that and then scroll down. You can read some more information if you'd like to. But the part I'm going to show you is how to apply. You click on apply. It's going to bring this pop-up window here, and it's going to ask for my designer number. So my number, and I'll type it in for you, is 37623. So you're going to put in my designer number, you're going to click submit, and then it's going to give you more information. And then you're going to click submit, and then it's going to ask you some questions just about your name, my designer name, that's Lane Amon, your billing information. Don't worry, you will not be charged for anything at this point. It's just asking you to fill in some basic information. You will not be charged until your number gets called, and then probably several months from now, you'll get an email inviting you to join Origami Owl, and at that point, you can give the confirmation that you are ready to move ahead. So anyway, it's as easy as that. I hope you, if are again at all interested in Origami Owl, that you go ahead and get yourself on the waiting list. As I mentioned, it can take several months, and I don't want you to have to wait any longer than you have to. So do this, and if you have any questions, email me. You can reach me at Lane, L-A-I-N, at happiestnest.com. Thanks so much. Bye.